Right then, let's go inside. Now I'm using a handheld, I'll take a photograph of it later, handheld thing with a camera on it and then a light on the top of that. And it's a right round to get put together. So, but I need it in these dark churches. Oh, the iron began door. Wow. Right then. Look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? Right? Isn't it gorgeous? Very small windows in here. So very light, not much light getting in. Let's go straight over the front. Look at that. Oh, is that a christening board? Sort of this thing here. Little doily on it. That, beautiful. Photograph, take a picture of it in a minute. I got these lovely stained glass ones. It's St. John the Baptist, this one. Let's take that one. Lovely. Oh, hey, what's he got here? Don Williams. What else they got? Instrumental. Monteverni. Look at all the classics. Oh, what's that? Clitterman. Goodness, well, it just shows you I know them all. It shows you how old I am. Right, let's go. For a wonder. Sort of in the I don't know what alignment it is, but all these windows are tiny wee windows. I got no pews, real pews, because they probably rotted out over the years and they tiled the floor and put chairs in. Right, there's the remembrance. That white light's my lights. Go. Beautiful. People who died for their country, the old country. Right, what's that on the floor? Look at that, there could be something under there, like a crypt. Right, here we are. I don't know if you can see all that. Let's turn the light off. Can you see it any better? Not really. Turn the light back on. I think that's the burials outside. Oh, it's a grid of some sort. Lovely wee windows. Oh, that's up to the organ, this bit. That's the organ. There's people. What's that say? A group in memory of somebody. Someone. Wow, look at that up there. Must make a nice noise in here. What's that say? See that one? The bell of this church was restored in 1986 in memory of Daphne Olive Josephine Scott. Lovely. And that's the look that way. It's got a sort of cast iron pulpit. Cool. You could do with a resurface, it's all pitted and things. Okay, let's go up here. Let's see what the vicar can see. Oh my goodness, there's a beautiful window up there. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. And they got windows higher up, but again, they're only tiny. So, it'll sweep around from the altar end. Nice brass lectern there with an eagle on it. Isn't that beautiful? Look at them columns, they're beautiful. Like stony thing. I don't know, it's like a granite stone, who knows? I don't know what they are. Anyway, that's that. Let's clamber down the stairs here. Look at that. Now, I can't get up into the altar area because it's chained shut, which is fair enough. You know, you don't want people clambering around up here looking. It is beautiful, all the furniture, seats, they're really ornate. Very nice. Beautiful. Look at these up here. Look. This thing over here. That's beautiful up there. Now, I did do another church down near Bridport. Come up with the name of it. And it was, it had a sort of arch thing up here like that. A sort of bulbousy bit. I don't know what you call it. Anyway, it's beautiful. Right. So turn around, look up the church. Down the church, what am I going to say? Nice ceiling. Right then. Over this side, this is Mahufus, this is. Very big. Look at that. That's the biggest eagle lectern I've ever seen in all the churches I've been to. That's a massive one, that one. Absolutely beautiful. This size of it. He's beautiful. A big brass one. Isn't he cool? Of course, the light picks up all the, where it was cleaned in the past. Because I think this stuff here is old Duraglit. Who remembers Duraglit? Hey, look at that. The wings are beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Stand on the box. Whoop. Look at that. Isn't that cool? What's it on? Corinthians. Cool. That side of the church is beautiful as well. And all the tops of the wee pillars got these really ornate finials on them, which are cool as well. Wow, look at this one. Nice wee chapelry bit here. Hope the camera's not too shaky. This is the memorial bit here. Beautiful. Look at that stone. It's got a nice little thing up there. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Memorial to the war dead. The painting of the church. The walls are beautiful. It looks. You can't even see the join on them. Hardly. Beautifully laid. Can you read that? The Right Honourable Sir John Scott, Earl of Eldon. read on it. Just looking into towards the outdoor area. Right, Earl of Eldon. I can just about see it up there. Up there. That's his tombstone up there. The Right Honourable Sir John Scott, Earl of Eldon. And then the letters are too small after that. It's a bit like being at the opticians. Can you read that line? No, it's too small. Right, and there's the